There's nothing as irritating as a person who asks you, so when are you going to have another child? Like, seriously, where do you have the liver? Do people not realize how insensitive that question is? And it's always the people who never even helped you with the babysitting. They have the audacity to ask you, when are you going to expand your family? When did we get to a point where we feel so entitled to a woman's womb? Do we not think to ourselves that maybe the person is having infertility issues? Maybe the person cannot financially take care of another child, because when it comes to having children, you need to be able to also afford the children. What's the point of you expanding your family when you cannot feed your family? And then you'll have a person who just asks you this question. You'll never know what people are going through. You'll never know. There are people who've been trying for so long to have another child, but they cannot have another child. And here you are triggering that person, asking them a personal question that really does not concern you. And the worst part, they don't even owe you an explanation, because it is their body, it's their experience, it's something they are going through, and you have no right to be so insensitive and ask such questions. But we do it. Why? People do it all the time. And it gets even worse when a total stranger thinks it's okay to ask you about kids. A person would see your child and be like, oh, how many children you have? And then you're like, oh, no, I have one child. And they're like, oh, so when you're having another child? Wait, hold up. We do not know each other that way. How dare you ask such a personal question? Are we so insensitive that we just don't care about these small things? It may seem small, but to the person who's experiencing it, it is so insensitive. I really hate it. I hate it when people ask such questions. And the reality is, I'm going to have a child when I feel like I'm good and ready to have a child. And that's none of your concern. And I should not be answering that question to people that I know or people that I do not know. It's so cruel. You'll never know what people are going through. So the next time you even think it's okay to ask such questions, remember it's not. It's not okay. When did we get to a point where we feel it's okay to police another woman's body, where we feel it's okay to talk about another woman's womb? No, man. We've got to be more respectful than that. It is the most insensitive question to ask, but I don't even know if people realize just how insensitive that question is. You might just trigger a person. You don't know what people are going through. I'm sure we can do better.